With most building projects, you find that the site really helps dictate some of the design, whether it's an architectural design for a building or whether in this case it's a decarbonisation project. So at our Medway campus, we're blessed to be in a National Heritage site right next door to Chatham Dockyard. And one of the interesting things is that underneath our car park is HMS Wildfire, which is a World War II listening post. So it's a series of tunnels and rooms which we used during World War II. That meant that a ground source heat pump and drilling through the car park was really not possible because we'd break into the tunnels. An air source heat pump solution really was the only viable solution to provide the hot water and the heating that we required on that campus. In Maidstone, we had the flip side. We had a very large car park which was perfectly laid out with no overhanging trees, etc., which we were able to then create a bore field to create a ground source heat pump, which is a slightly better technology. We've supplemented that with an air source as well. And in both campuses, we also have enough roof space to be able to provide sufficient solar panels to provide the electricity supply that we require. We're trying to look at the technology so we can also demonstrate that you can retrofit these technologies to existing buildings. In Maidstone, we're looking at a solar carport system on the car park once the bore field's finished, which will then be what's called a PVT solution, which is photovoltaic thermal. And that basically takes the heat away from the glass and the photovoltaic cells, and we'll take that and we'll put it back into the ground, which will then make the ground source heat pump more efficient. The other exciting part about Medway is we have some very large glass fascias that cover the front of the building. And we're looking at replacing those with vertical fitted solar panels so that again we can demonstrate our real dedication towards the green climate change.